Good afternoon, mga kapritis. Welcome to Bali. To be more specific, welcome to Atlas Beach Club in Bali. So here we are. The weather is a little bit iffy, but the sun is coming out, and my girls are swimming already. Si Vovo, hi Vovo. Si Bestie and Baby, hi Anachka. So here we are. You can see in the back. Nice, right? There. So I've heard the weather in the Philippines is quite bad. Medyo masama talaga yung panahon doon. Dito naman, it rains, it sunshines, it everything. Now it's windy. Nabruhat tuloy yung buhok natin. But anyways, we just here vacationing, celebrating the birthday of my mom. She's turning 61, guys. And she came all the way from Brazil to spend time with us. Wait, teka lang. Ganito na lang tayo. Mahirap. Bruha all the time. So there. So this is a gift to my mom. You know, she's never been to Bali. And I was in Bali last November. And I love it. I came to celebrate the birthday of my bestie. Nasa likod siya. So, of course, my daughter and my mom were ingit. So I told my mom, okay, when you come to the Philippines, and she came to celebrate her birthday with me and with Anechka. So I told her, I'm just gonna bring you to Bali as a birthday gift. Actually, just one of the birthday gifts na binigay ko sa kanya. But anyways, we having a great time. The sun is coming out. Finally, you're gonna be able to tan. Yesterday, there is no much sun, but at least it was not raining. Today naman kanina umulan, pero now, you know, medyo mainit. So, we just make the most out of it, guys, right? Enjoy tayo. Alam ko, Sunday na yon, ang daming tao sa bahay dahil pangit yung panahon dun sa Pilipinas. Narinig ko, may padarating ng bagyo. Sana lang po, safe kayo lahat. Dito naman, yung sinasabi ko, katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, yung panahon medyo iffy. But we on vacation, so who cares? Let's just enjoy, diba? Mamaya plano natin to go shopping. Tomorrow, meron kami, so today is the second day here in Bali. Tomorrow, meron kami isa pang araw. Mag-enjoy kami dito. May iba-ibang plano kami sa buhay dito. And definitely, you can be expecting a vlog. But this time around, what we're doing here is we're like beach club hopping. Because it's a time that I just want to enjoy, just relax. You know, masyado may stress ako sa Pilipinas. So gusto mo mag-relax, yung nanay ko din. And we just want to bond together and have a great time. So yon, gusto ko pasalamat sa lahat na po-follow yung mga vlogs natin, na like and share yung mga vlogs natin. Please wag na kalimutan to go to our YouTube account. Meron kami bagong vlogs dyan na buo-buo. Dito sa Facebook, medyo short sila, mga clips dito. Pero sa YouTube channel, buo-buo sila. So meron kami yung Boracay trip namin na ginagawa namin last December. Kasama ko ng mga friends ko, barkada ko ng Pilipinas. Meron din yung Malaysia, pasusunod. Meron yung Dubai na nagtatrabaho ako, pero I was able to, you know, to squeeze in like 1 or 2 days going around the Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Meron din, yung Singapore, nagtatrabaho ako, very short yan, but we were able to explore a little bit of Singapore. I've been many times in Singapore. And for sure, babalik ako ulit doon kasi meron talaga opportunities of work there. And now, of course, Bali tayo to celebrate my mom's birthday. So, ma-expect nyo ito din siguro in 1 week or so. May abutan din. Nangyari, bestie! Picture sesh sila eh. So, okay. So, I'm gonna now swim and hopefully sunbathe. Diba? So, yun. Medyo maputi na. Ano nangyari? Nalunod siya. Oh, yung sun is out. So, yun, guys. Tara na. Swim tsaka sunbathe tayo. So, kita-kita tayo sa susunod na vlogs natin, okay? Enjoy po kayo lahat. God bless you. Have a wonderful and restful Sunday. Bye-bye, guys, from Bali, Indonesia. Ano ba to? Photo session sila eh. Yung anak ko naman, oh. Mag-enjoy the view sila naman. Iba-iba. Ano ba to? Ay, nako. Puro comedy yung grupo to. Yung team pre sila, puro comedy, guys. Grabe. So anyways, love you guys. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod live or susunod vlogs natin. Okay? Bye-bye from Bali, guys. Bye!